Hello and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So today my topic will be how to develop reading habits if you are a beginner. So I have been a vivid reader since I was a child because I had a habit of reading books every night, and this is how I developed a habit. And we all know that developing habits is takes a little bit of time, and also this habit is a very good one. I especially feel that reading making this habit or developing this habit from the childhood is one of the necessary steps. And instead of giving screen time, I think parents should uh, give them some story time. You can either read stories for them or also help them read something that they like, because reading books is very important, and I think it helps in imagining things, and it helps in building a world of our own. I love to read books, and I am a bookworm, and I read books whenever I'm free. So this video is dedicated to everybody who is starting to develop a habit of reading books, and hopefully my tips will help you to develop this into a habit. The first thing that you can do in order to develop this into a habit is that you can start reading regularly. So even if you don't like a particular book, then you can skip on to the next book. There is no rule that you have to stick on to that book only. So but make sure that you read something, even if it's a page or even if it's 2 pages, still continue reading it, because if you don't read regularly, then you will lose interest, and we all know that it takes a little time to develop a habit. I know that it takes 21 days to develop a thing into a habit. Anyone who is willing to develop this into a habit should start reading every day. So the second way is that choose a book which will be interesting for you. So there are so many books that are available in the market, but choose the right one for you. And I think easy and interesting books will help you to keep you hooked to the book, because easy and interesting ones will help you to know more about the book, and that will help you reading regularly, and which will make the whole process much more easier. So I Number 3, pick up a genre which you like. You may like mystery books or thriller books, or something related to fiction. So you have to pick a genre, and then you have to pick a book from that genre. And what will happen is that you will find it interesting, and you will love reading that book. So that will help in getting keeping you hooked to the book. For example, if you like mystery, then you can read something, a book which is easy and interesting from that genre. So this is a way in which you can force yourself or make yourself read books every day. Point number 4 is that discuss books with your friends and family. There have to be a friend of yours who love books, or who has read a book recently, or your parents who has read a book recently. Discuss books with them, and tell them how you liked your last book, and how you feel about that book. In that way, what will happen is that you will develop uh, an interest in reading books. You will get to know about more books from your friends and family, and this discussion will lead into an interesting one which will help you in reading more books, and eventually you will be hooked to books, and you will also become a bookworm. So this is a very important point. Discussion is very important. You should have an interaction with your friends and family regarding books. It's very, very, very useful. Number 5 is you can carry a book everywhere you go. So I can give you an example of my father. anywhere he goes, I have never seen him without books. He, everywhere he goes, he carries a book with him, because it has become a habit for him to carry books with him wherever he goes. So and I have grown up seeing him reading books all the time, and he has been a person full of knowledge, and whatever I have asked him, he has never failed to amaze me by the answers that he provides me with, and he has answers to everything. So he started reading books from when he was a child, and what happens is that you get to develop an attachment with the book. You read it whenever you are free. So this is something that you can also do. You can keep a book with yourself which you are reading currently, and you can carry that with you everywhere you go, even if you don't read it, even if you read a page or two. But of course, be safe when you're traveling, because you're traveling somewhere. So don't read books when you're crossing the road or something, but you can keep it for your leisure time. For example, if you're going to office, you have a free time, right? Then you can read that book, and that will give you pleasure, and that will give you an attachment kind of a thing with the book, and that will help you grow the habit. So these are the few ways in which you can develop a reading habit if you're a beginner. Hope this video will help you in some way. I think that reading book is a very very good way of spending your leisure time, and it's a productive way, as well as you will enjoy your leisure time, and slowly you will get to read more difficult ones, and reading will eventually become a habit for you. So that's it for today. Hope this has been of little helpful to you, and see you in my next video. Till then, stay positive, stay happy, and bye.